Salutations, Queenie Q here, and I thought I'd bring you ghouls a quick DIY. I was a little bit out doing some errands amidst COVID pandemic today, and I wanted to get all dolled up and everything and wear my spiderweb beret. Watch that video if you haven't. I put in my skeleton earrings that I love. I got these guys last year, I think from Claire's. And I had a very interesting thought. Because they're little skeletons, and they're technically, by their scale, social distancing from each other. But I thought it'd be really funny to make them little face masks to wear temporarily, not all the time, although maybe all the time, while I'm wearing a mask outdoors. Is this insane? Is this a little too much? Yeah, but it wouldn't be me without a little too much, because Aquarius. So, let's get started. Okay, here I have just my skeleton earrings. They're pretty cute, they glow in the dark. And after some trial and error, I figured out contact tape? No, what is it called? Washi tape. Washi tape is the way to go for these little masks because it's slightly adhesive but not too adhesive. Before I was trying to use felt and that just wasn't doing it. So I just kind of fold these in half, sticky side outside, and then snip in and make these little like tabs that I cut off to make like the ties. And then I just stick them right on. It's a little bit fiddly because of my kind of stubby fingers, but there we go. Got them on. I'm just kind of twisting these little ties to stick on better. I just bought this super cool new piece of art from my friend at Silken Scepter on Instagram. Her website is silkenscepter.com. Thank you so much for watching. Share with other ghouls. And wash your damn hands and wear a fucking mask.